Welcome to today's review on the MTX 12-inch dual subwoofer with amp and wiring kit. This incredible system combines powerful bass, precise tuning, and high-quality components to deliver a concert-like experience right inside your car, making every drive feel like a music festival on wheels. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this car sound system at the best price in the market. Right from the start, the MTX Dual 12-inch subwoofer stands out with its robust 1,200-watt RMS loaded enclosure, crafted from durable 5/8-inch MDF and wrapped in aircraft-grade black carpet, ensuring it not only looks premium but also withstands the vibrations and rigors of everyday driving. The subwoofer's deep, heart-pounding bass fills every corner of your vehicle, delivering that low-end punch that audiophiles crave, while keeping distortion to a minimum, which is perfect for those who love both clarity and power. Complementing the subwoofer, the Planet Audio 1500-watt monoblock amplifier gives you flexible control over your sound setup, featuring high and low-level inputs, a variable bass boost, and a low-pass filter that allows precise tuning for every genre of music. Whether you enjoy heavy bass, crisp vocals, or instrumentally complex tracks, this amplifier ensures your system delivers consistent performance without strain. Another standout feature is the included Soundstorm 8GA installation kit, which comes with a 17-foot power cable, 20-foot speaker wire, and a competition-grade fuse holder, making setup straightforward even if you're relatively new to car audio installations. This means you don't need to spend extra on accessories or hunt for compatible wiring. Everything required is right in the box. The combination of MTX's TNE2 12dV dual subwoofer, Planet Audio amplifier, and Soundstorm wiring kit is designed with synergy in mind, ensuring each component complements the others to produce rich, immersive sound that turns your vehicle into a high-performance audio machine. From a usability standpoint, the system is as user-friendly as it is powerful, allowing you to customize bass levels and filter settings to your exact preference, so you can enjoy music the way it was meant to be heard. While this bundle delivers tremendous value, it's worth noting that such a high-powered setup can take up significant trunk space, so planning placement in your vehicle is recommended for optimal performance and fit. Additionally, the deep bass output may feel overwhelming for casual listeners at first, but once dialed in properly, it creates an exhilarating experience that is hard to match with standard car audio systems. MTX has built this system with over 40 years of audio engineering expertise, so you're not just buying random components, you're investing in a legacy of performance, durability, and innovative design. Whether you're upgrading from a stock stereo or replacing an older setup, this bundle offers everything you need to elevate your music experience, from powerful subwoofers to a fully capable amplifier and complete wiring kit, all designed to work seamlessly together. Overall, this MTX bundle balances high power, professional sound tuning, and ease of installation, making it perfect for anyone seeking serious bass, clean amplification, and a reliable, all-in-one solution for car audio. By the end of your first listening session, you'll notice a significant difference in audio quality, with lows that thump, mids that stay clear, and highs that sparkle, all while maintaining that unmistakable MTX sound signature. For anyone passionate about music and car audio, this package is not only an upgrade, it's a transformation that turns your everyday commute into an immersive sound journey. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to grab this MTX 12-inch dual subwoofer with amp and wiring kit at the best market price and start experiencing unbeatable bass and crystal clear sound today. Because once you hear the power of this system, you'll understand why so many drivers choose MTX for their ultimate car audio setup.